You searched how to buy shares of ARTW Manufacturing County Inc. This video shows the steps to find and buy its stock. ARTW is a manufacturer of agricultural equipment listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ARTW, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy ARTW, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ARTW to locate ARTW Manufacturing County Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing so you reach the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart with recent performance. Check the company name and the NASDAQ tag to confirm this is the right ARTW stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, your order may become pending, and if your available balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirmation. Once the trade executes, your ARTW position will appear in your portfolio. See the description below for the example eToro link if you want to follow these steps.